watch me re-moisturize and hydrate my hair using rose water, leave-in cream, and my Ayurvedic oil that I created. Here I am just looking at my mini twist that I did about 10 days ago, and I am 3 days out from wash day, and I just wanted to give it a refresh until it's time for wash day. I'm using my satin hair ties to section my hair into two, and then I'm going to work the products into my hair, starting with the rose water, making sure that I drench the hair as much as possible, and squeezing that rose water gently into my strands, and then applying my leave-in cream, just about a quarter-size dime to my hair, and squeezing that into to make sure that the hair is hydrated and moisturized using these products. When you squeeze the rose water or any liquid that you're using, could be Ayurvedic teas, as well as your leave-in conditioner, squeezing the product into your hair allows for your hair to absorb the product better, especially if you have low porosity hair like myself. I then follow up with my Ayurvedic DIY oil that I smooth onto all of my hair strands, making sure to work that in as much as possible so that I can seal in that moisture that I just applied to my hair. And this may take a few minutes to let it soak into the hair, but this is what these mini twists are looking like once I've applied the rose water, the leave-in cream, and the Ayurvedic hair oil. I now move on to the second section and do the exact same thing. Drench the hair with the rose water, making sure to add as much water as possible to all of the hair, squeezing it in to make sure that that moisture gets trapped into those strands. Because if you're a low porosity girly like myself, you know that our hair does not hold moisture as well as it should. So by applying these lightweight products to the hair and squeezing and working it into the hair as much as possible allows the hair to absorb all of the moisture that you're adding to the hair. This technique I find works pretty well for my hair because I also have really fine hair. So squeezing it into the hair allows for my strand to absorb the moisture from the rose water and the leave-in cream, as well as the oils that I'm applying to my hair right now. And I just continue to work the oils in, making sure to get all of the mini twists and smoothing it out onto my hair so that I can seal in that moisture that I just applied with the rose water and the leave-in cream. And this is basically how I re-moisturize my hair when it's in a protective style, especially in mini twists like this. I usually have a lot more larger twists, but I decided to do this mini twist on my hair because I just wanted to have like something smaller so that I can have a lot more control and styling over my hair. As you can see, all of the products have been worked into my hair, and the hair is looking a lot more moisturized than how it was when we started, and it feels super hydrated and super moisturized. By using this technique, I'm able to keep my hair moisturized until my next wash day, which is in about 4 days. Actually, I said 3 in the beginning, but it's 4 days. I apply my satin hair tie to my hair, twisting it around 3 times. And then I just wrap the rest of my hair into a bun and apply another satin hair tie on my hair. and I leave this in my hair for the next few days until it's wash day. And this is what my hair is looking like. And that's it, my friends. This is how I re-moisturize my mini twists when I have my hair in a protective style. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned so you can see all of the great products that I'm using on this hair growth challenge that I am on. Have a great day. Thank you.